इंस्टाग्राम पे कहा किसी को बताना नहीं, संग्राम वगैरह किसी को।
अच्छा, मैं इंस्टाग्राम पे मैंने आपका पोस्ट डाला है, ये मैं संग्राम को नहीं बताऊं
हाँ
और किसी और को नहीं बताऊं?
हाँ,
ओके।
अभी तो वो कंपेयर करने लगेगा, फिर वो प्रॉब्लम आएगी।
अच्छा ठीक है। आपको आपको ये बात पता है कि इंस्टाग्राम सब लोग देखते हैं, सोशल मीडिया?
वो होता क्या है सोशल मीडिया?
सोशल मीडिया
एक
सब
बंदा-
लोग
एक
देखते
बंदा
हैं।
नजर नहीं आता
तो
है।
जब मैंने इंस्टाग्राम पे डाल दिया आपके कहने पर, तो सबने देख लिया, संग्राम ने भी देख लिया, पूरे जग ने देख लिया, ठीक है?
लेकिन मुझे दिखाई नहीं पड़ा, मेरे फोन में इंस्टाग्राम नहीं है।
तो आपने जो ये बोला है उसके बाद आपको पता है कितना भूचाल हुआ है?
किधर?
किधर नहीं, चलो बाय।
ये
Let me-
कहने के लिए मेरे को इस समय फोन किया और अगर जब मैं वॉक कर रहा हूँ।
तो आप मुझे ये बताओ कि अगर आपको कोई डोनेशन आता है तो मुझे बताना, ठीक है? पता चलेगा
हाँ,
मेरे
वो मैं
फैंस
सबको
असली है
बताऊंगा,
कि
सिर्फ
सबके
तेरे
सब
को
नकली है।
बताऊंगा।
हाँ
और किसी को नहीं, और किसी को नहीं, सिर्फ तेरे को बताऊंगा।
हाँ, सिर्फ मुझे बताना,
वो
पता
तो
चलेगा कि
मैं सबको फॉरवर्ड कर देता हूँ मैंने।
नहीं, ऐसा सबको फॉरवर्ड नहीं करते, खाली मुझे बताना तो मुझे भी पता चले कि मेरे फैंस हैं नकली की असली, ठीक है? ओके बाय। So I was just going through a certain email that had come to me. It was from Casting Networks. Now these guys wanted me to do a virtual self-tape. Women who are experiencing perimenopause or menopause. Okay, your shoot dates are understood. Looking for women who are currently experiencing weight struggles as a symptom of premenopause, menopause, and are interested in open to learning about habit changes and open to taking HRT. We understand that there is still a stigma around HRT medications. Our mission is to help support women and make women more comfortable discussing this topic. So here, like I want to tell you, look at my hair, ये ऐसे jump करते हैं, ये है ही ऐसे. But this is my color, huh? Now, so we have not put anything. Okay, now when I was in US also, no, I met certain people who took us around. So I met this lady. She was a wife of a man. She's telling me that she's going through menopause and she's on some medications. So probably they have given medications to actresses like Aishwarya Rai. I have no idea if they have taken medication or if they have not. I don't want to speculate. But they are senior actresses to me, so they must be obviously going through a certain hormonal phase. आप योगा करिए, आप वर्कआउट करिए. Yes, you are going to get hot flushes. That is why मैं ठंडा पानी पीती हूँ. ठंडा पानी पीती हूँ तो आपने देखा होगा कि मैं थोड़ा खांसती हूँ. अभी भी खांसूंगी बिकॉज माई सिस्टम इज सेंसिटिव. मुझे सादा पानी पीना चाहिए. बट क्या होता है जब आपको थोड़ा बहुत हार्मोनल हॉट फ्लश आता है तो आपको ठंडा पानी चाहिए. संग्राम ऑब्वियसली ये बात को नहीं समझेगा एंड ही विल से कि ठंडा पानी मत पियो, सादा पानी पियो. ही ऑब्वियसली विशेस वेल एंड ही वांट्स मी टू बी हेल्दी, टच वुड. बट उसको समझना चाहिए दैट ही इज़ अ मैन एंड आई एम अ वुमन, सो वी हैव डिफरेंट रिक्वायरमेंट्स. बट नाउ एड्स आर ऑल्सो बीइंग मेड जहाँ पे आपको ज़्यादा पैसे दिए जा रहे हैं सो दैट यू कैन प्रमोट the narrative. What is the narrative? That HRT medicines are required. I think you should have a script where you say that something like this is available in the market, but you cannot sell a narrative that this is the only thing that is needed when you reach a certain age. अब मैंने भी आई थिंक अर्लियर कोई ऐड किया था, आई डोंट नो, सम शिडी ऐड, बी ग्रेड स्टफ, सेलिंग some kind of male booster. Yeah, you take some pill or some powder or something like that, saying that if you consume that you're going to be great in bed. Some shit like that I've done, but then I was paid a lot of money, to do that. And at that time you have to understand I was not married. Or was I married? No, I was not married. So when you're not married, you are single-handedly managing your expenses and you have to go through phases where you have a low phase, high phase. Whatever work comes your way, you take it up as an actor. So a lot of times now you see that you have actors like Hrithik Roshan selling betting application and stuff like that, so they are doing it because they must be paid a lot of money. You have Anu Kapoor also selling a betting application. I think that's the way it works, because when you are going low on your income and your expenses are there high, and you need to have your income coming in to maintain those expenses, you will take up work that comes your way. So this is how the demand supply is controlled. A lot of time the star kids don't have to go through this demand supply pressure because they are already born in wealthy families who have understood the business and have understood the market, so they are able to withstand the failure. So their patience is checked when their talent is not recognized or when they face failure at the box office and stuff like that. But people who come from outside, outsiders, technically they have to pay their bills, they have to withstand the demand supply politics, they have to withstand the internal politics, and they have to also deal with failure and success. So it's really sad that in US you have ads which promote HRT, because that lady, that wife of a man who was making us go around Sacramento, was like, yeah, I have started taking these medicines and I've put on weight and this and that, and I was like feeling bad for her. I said, आप yoga करो, आप fit हो, yoga करो, run, मतलब पसीना निकालो. But I think women after marriage, they just let go of their existence. Their entire focus is on their children, if they have children after their marriage, you know. And then when the children go away, then again they have to cater to the husband's need, and husband are egoistic because they are male at the end of the day. Yeah, it's husband, it's not a wife, so it's a male. So male are egoistic. Yeah. Okay, I got to go and do some shooting. I'll talk to you guys later.